Okay, so we've been learning about some nonfiction poetry, and so we've just been learning about things that are happening in people's lives. And this week that we talked about My Name is Gabriella poem. We have been reading it and learning about nonfiction poetry. So today we're going to be reading some nonfiction poetry. This one is a little bit more fun than the other ones, but it's to show you that nonfiction poetry can kind of be about anything. It can even be about your life or the things that you do. So I'm going to read this poem to you, and then you're going to tell me on the Anchor chart what you learned or what you got from this poem. So I'm going to go ahead and read. At recess, we just run round and round. And this is set to the tune of The Wheels on the Bus. At recess we run round and round, the playground's where I'm bound. I swing off the rings and hit the ground, hip, hip, hooray. At recess we just throw the ball at the wall or at Paul. The teacher says she can't take it all, she's turning gray. At recess we act like chimpanzees, playing tag, climbing trees. If you come, bring bananas, please, out of my way. When recess is done, we are dispersed, then we head to the nurse. Skin, knees, and elbows, and much worse. What fun today! So, like I said, this one is a little bit more fun than the other ones, but it still is nonfiction because these things could happen in someone's life. You're going to go through and listen to this and find out what you could learn from this poem and go ahead and write it on our Anchor chart.